So see, Set and Horus is pouring down love and veneration, life, fertility, vitality into the pharaoh or into you, the god, because these are just energies, and that's you, the god. You feel me? So here's what I want you to do, because this is an important ritual. And I said this ritual before, and this ritual is powerful in helping you in your endeavors, right? What you want to do is get you a red and green candle, especially during this Christ Mass time, right? Get you a red and green candle. And that red and green candle is going to symbolize, the red is going to symbolize Set, the green is going to symbolize Horus, right? But more than that, it's also going to symbolize prosperity, abundance, wealth. Just like I was showing you right here, right? The veneration of the physical and the metaphysical, the vitality of life. You feel me? So get you a red and green candle, and you want to light that during, the holidays time, or this holiday energy time, so you can constantly be seeing red and green, to understand that this thing is about oneness and wholeness within yourself. You feel me? Understanding that the physical is something that you came down here to do, and the metaphysical process is the balance of the whole, or the 0 point that you're trying to run to. You feel me? So then also what you can do is take it to the other level of understanding. When you do see red and green, especially during this Christmas time, right? You're going to speak, it speaks life to you in the aspect of prosperity, abundance, wealth, pouring down on you, right? Color magic. So remember, these colors are here to program your subconscious mind. And the more you get into it, consciously seeing it, right? And constantly moving in that space, the more they're going to move into your being of abundance and wealth. So program yourself to see red and green together as prosperity and wealth and strength and vitality. You feel me? Because at the end of the day, at the same time, if we're understanding that the Ankh symbolizes life, right? And we understand that these two are working together and not just at a fight, right? Then we understand the process is more so a medical mixture process than a process of us feeling like it's versus each other.